Picking a bag of these up while we're here. Savers potato pops, clearly marked vegan, £1.10. Great for when you fancy a kid's meal. Howdo muckers, and welcome back to the channel. And if it's your first time here, hiya, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
Together we are
Those Vegan Guys.
Oh, excuse me. It's quassel and blueberries repeating on me. We are doing our final Veganuary shopping update. And we're here at Morrisons today. Apparently, some of our friends have already said there's not been much new in, but don't forget these vlogs are mainly aimed at you if you're doing Veganuary for the first time. So we'll show you some bits. However, if you're looking for a really big shopping vlog, we did a whole series of them at the end of 2025, merely weeks ago. Your first vegan shop at, and we did 7 supermarkets. Morrisons is one of them. So I'm going to put that playlist pinned in the first comment of this video on YouTube, should you want to go and have a look at that. This is just a kind of a quick mop up today, a quick look at what's available for Veganuary, which of course we are hurtling towards the end of.
We are hurtling towards the end of it. As Paul says, do check out those dedicated shopping vlogs because they're new enough to be relevant, and they are an absolute treasure trove. They're really detailed in terms of showing you a really good range of stuff. Now, I had a quick look at the Morrisons website before we headed out, just to see and do a little bit of research. There is a few things that they've released specifically for Veganuary 2026. Postcode lottery, no idea whether that stuff will be in here, but if it is, we'll show you it.
Yeah, absolutely.
But what I did see, and salute to Morrisons because it's a fantastic little section.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, it's so good. We're going to link that. We're going to link that down there in the first comment as well, because go and check it out. It's a brilliant page that they've got on the Morrisons website, specifically for people, for vegans and for people who are trying Veganuary for the first time. It's got so much information in there, some fantastic recipes, a big long shopping list of all the stuff that you should consider getting in if you are, if you're vegan, basically, and you want to do the whole plant-based thing and cruelty-free.
And you can't knock it when a company has taken the time to do something like that. Maybe they've got maybe they've got a vegan working for them who said, I'd like to do a page on the website dedicated to Veganuary and what's available.
We've got a vegan champion in the mix. So that's great.
Yeah, 2 links down there. Of course, not forgetting that every Tuesday we upload a meals vlog. If you're struggling with meal ideas, it's not rocket science.
It doesn't have to be rocket science.
It doesn't have to be rocket science. As long as it's vegan, that's all that matters. We still have pie and chips. We still have sausage and mash. We still have a chippy supper, fish chips and mushy peas. We still have all of these things, just all vegan.
Yeah, still have a full English.
Oh, we've not had a Brinner for ages.
Feels like it's been a while.
Brinner.
Breakfast for dinner.
Oh, I do love it. Bit of bacon, bit of sausage, bit of scrambled tofu.
This is what is always the case with our shopping vlogs, is there's always a bit of car chat. The time will have already come up on the screen earlier on if you wanted to just jump straight to the shopping and get in store and have a look at the products.
But why would you want to miss a chat with friends? Right, let's go into Morrisons and see what's available for you folks doing Veganuary. As we said, the Your First Vegan Shop playlist link will be down there in the first comment, as will this fantastic page from Morrisons with lots of ideas and information. Now let's show you what's available in our local store, this is classed as Chadderton, isn't it?
I believe so.
We would say Hollingwood, because Hollingwood's right there.
Yeah.
But it's Chadderton.
Well, we've got Morrison. We've got 2 Morrisons that are like 1.5 miles, 2 miles apart.
Yeah, Chadderton and Failsworth. Yeah. We're in Chadderton. Let's go in and see what's available for Veganuary. Okay, so we're in the chilled section, and we're going to be show you a lot of the actual Plant Revolution stuff, which is Morrison's own brand. £2.75 for the caramelised onion sausages and the chorizo style sausages. Where's more Plant Revolution stuff? 2 banging burgers for £2, but they've also got beetroot burgers if you wanted something a bit more veg-like. They're from Gosh. Beyond Burgers, which are some of the best, meatiest and tastiest on the market. Has to be said, it's true. This is a bacon, 2 different kinds. They've got the streaky and the bacon rashers. The Meatless Farm, which is a great company. We've just picked up the vegetarian butcher, What the Cluck, because I'm doing a live on Sunday. I'm going to be making exclusive, don't tell anybody. We're going to be making chicken pot pie, pasta bake. Oh, Martha. Fantastic tofu for £1. Super firm smoked and organic super firm. The tofu brand, of course. Tofu katsu. Lots of pies and slices.
Worth pointing these out because these are quite new.
And they're very tasty, aren't they, the vegan sharers? Little balls of delightfulness that you can pop in your mouth. And who doesn't like a delightful ball in their mouth? Mm-hmm. That sounded rude, it wasn't meant to. Pastas, and this isn't superfood, which is quite lovely. Chicken breast, marinated tofu. Juicy marble steaks, which if you haven't tried, I know that looks expensive, but go and look at cow flesh and see how much that is. So you've got the cruelty and the price when you could just buy one of these, whack it in a frying pan. It's delicious. So that seems to be the chilled section. It's all right. It's an all right size, and we shall continue now onward. We haven't seen this before, but it doesn't say new. Sainsbury's do very similar garlic ciabatta breadsticks. They're done in 10 minutes in the air fry, clearly marked vegan. £2. Lovely if you're having a pasta or anything that you fancy some garlic bread with. So yeah, they're available in this pasta fridge. A huge plethora of plant milks available in here, including Morrison's own Savers unsweetened soya milk for 69p for a litre. Not bad. I've just picked up some Morrison's Savers mushy peas because I keep buying bachelors, which are fantastic, but they're only 31p and they're clearly marked vegan, so I'm going to give them a try. In the bigger vlog we've mentioned, the Your First Vegan Shop Hat, we cover all the tin stuff because their tin spaghetti and beans are also clearly marked vegan and really cheap. So yeah, we won't show you again in this one because that's why we made the other one. Onward! We knew this wasn't going to be a big vlog because it's just about showing bits, but they do have a good freezer range in Morrison's. Got a lot of the great Linda McCartney stuff. Meat-free offer at the moment is 3 for £5, so anything that's 3 for £5, which it covers their own range. Those no steak pies actually weren't bad. We had them. They were actually nicer than the steak and gravy slice from Asda, which had never met gravy. Never even lived in the same neighbourhood as gravy. But those were quite nice. So yeah, Plant Revolution do sausage rolls, no steak pies, southern fried, no chicken burgers, spicy bean burgers, veggie burgers, ultimate burgers, banging burgers. They do a lot of stuff. There's offers on the One Planet Pizza at the moment, £2. They're down there. There's the margarita and the cheesy, plant-based cheesy garlic sourdough flatbread. Strong roots, which are fabulous. It's the 3 for a £5 thing is fantastic because it's 3 for a £5.
It is.
It's a really good. So you could get quite a few bits, and you know, fill your freezer up and only spend a tenner or a £5 if there's only one of you. So that is the meat-free freezer in our local Morrisons. Nothing particularly new to us, but might be new to you. Picking a bag of these up while we're here. Savers potato pops, clearly marked vegan, £1.10. Great for when you fancy a kid's meal. Oh, sausage and these, and beans and bread. Gorgeous. In the basket, please, Barbara. Thank you. Besides having a range of vegan ice creams and ice lollies and stuff, they've also got these. We've had these ones before. They're frozen donuts, so you just defrost them when you want to eat them. We've had the sugar rings ones, £2.35 they are at the moment, but we haven't had the chocky donuts. And vegan. And basket. Right, I think that's pretty much it. Please do check out the bigger shopping vlog and we'll see you back in the car. Well, not much new for you vegan warriors out there who've been doing this a long time, but still a good range, and I still think that, because that 3 for £5 thing is a general thing at Morrisons, it seems to be like all the time.
It does, doesn't it?
And when you consider that you could pick up, for a family of 6, 3 boxes of pies for a £5.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not bad. In the bigger vlog, which we keep mentioning, we also highlight as much as we possibly can from bread and basics and margarine and butter and all of the bits. And also it's worth mentioning that Morrisons is one of the only supermarkets that do a pretty good range of home care and personal care products, clearly marked vegan and cruelty free.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yeah, the personal care stuff, I remember, like the shower gels, the toothpaste, stuff like that. It's really cheap as well. Like it's good price, isn't it? You know.
So it's worth having a look at that. We're going to end this one now and thus end our Veganuary shopping vlogs. We were going to do Waitrose, but CBA.
Yeah, it's a bit further
Can't
out.
be arsed.
It's a bit further out for us. We don't specifically need anything ourselves from Waitrose, and there's a Waitrose vlog that we did end of last year
in the Your First Vegan Shop app. So, you know, if you fancy having a look at that, we'll get on with our day now. If you're watching this, I'm putting this up today. Yeah, if you're watching this on the day it goes up, we're live on Sunday. I'll mention it again, making chicken pot pie pasta bake. Oh, I'm right excited. It sounds nice, doesn't it? Should be shit now.
I'm excited to eat it. I'm sure it will be absolutely lovely.
I'm sure it will. Do check out the channel. We've got a fantastic easy vegan recipes playlist. We've got hundreds of shopping vlogs. And like I said, we upload a meals vlog every Tuesday to give you meal ideas, because when you're first in this territory it can get a bit tricky, and then suddenly you click how simple it is and you're like, oh God.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it can be a bit overwhelming.
We try to help as much as we can.
That's what
it's all about the animals. Love you, mister.
Love you.
Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again very soon. And until then, won't you please be excellent to yourself and each other. Bye, loves.